Welcome back to my homemaking story. As you take in a few of the different things I do throughout my day, I hope you will be inspired to make the everyday beautiful. I remember my aunt telling me many years ago that she needed a system to figure out how to clean her house each week. Back then, I was still in my teens and I thought this was so silly. Why not just do what you see needs to be done? Little did I realize how frustrating it could be to take care of a whole house, but especially if there are multiple people living in it, and even more so if you have a child, but then near impossible with each additional one. The frustration is beyond comprehension until one finds themselves in the situation. We can all talk a big game until we are in the middle of it. You wonder if there will ever be peace in your life again, or a clean floor. If you are feeling the frustration today, please know that no matter how elegant or easy a person makes something look, we have this in common. So my dear homemaker, turn on some peaceful music, take a deep breath, and let's get back to work, because it's not going anywhere. We are the lady of our house, and if it's not clean, hear us roar. Just kidding, but you get the idea. We are all in control of ourselves and leading by example. Find your system if you need it. After all, there are infinite ones, including the one you choose and the tweaks you will make to it to make it all your own. And ta-da! A brand new system. If you're looking for advice on the perfect system, listen closely. It all begins by not biting off more than you can chew. If you are easily overwhelmed when it comes to cleaning, always go for the smaller home. Let's just say I look forward to the day I can clean my little cottage in the woods in under an hour. If you found yourself in this situation, do share. We must know if you chose to downsize and what your life has been like since. If you are new, won't you consider subscribing to be inspired weekly, and I hope you will stay to the end to gain all the inspiration this video has to offer in making the everyday beautiful. Just last year, my Grammy was showing me how to trim rose bushes and the importance of doing this for new growth. Growing up, I looked forward to helping her in the garden. Most of the time, though, all of the information she was telling me, I would let go in one ear and out the other. But these days, I find myself hanging on to every word. It always seems sharing the kitchen is like a dance. When the opportunity presents itself, take it, especially the dance. Setting the table for lunch each Sunday is a great time to use your best and makes those you love feel special. Lunch is a breeze when everything is prepared in advance, including the table being set. You're more likely to use your best and put a little more effort into it when doing it with a peaceful heart. Remember now thy Creator in the days of thy youth, while the evil days come not, nor the years draw nigh, when thou shalt say, I have no pleasure in them. While the sun or the light, or the moon or the stars be not darkened, nor the clouds return after the rain, in the day when the keepers of the house shall tremble, and the strong men shall bow themselves, and the grinders cease because they are few, and those that look out the windows be darkened. And the doors shall be shut in the streets, when the sound of the grinding is low. And he shall rise up at the voice of the bird, and all the daughters of music shall be brought low. Also when they shall be afraid of that which is high, and fear shall be in the way, and the almond tree shall flourish, and the grasshopper shall be a burden, and desire shall fail. Because man goeth to his long home, and the mourners go about the streets. Or even the silver cord be loosed, or the golden bowl be broken, or the pitcher be broken at the fountain, or the wheel broken at the cistern. Then shall the dust return to the earth as it was, and the spirit shall return unto God who gave it. Vanity of vanities, saith the preacher, all is vanity. And moreover, because the preacher was wise, he still taught the people knowledge. Yea, he gave good heed and sought out, and set in order many proverbs. The preacher sought to find out acceptable words, and that which was written was upright, even words of truth. The words of the wise are as goads, and as nails fastened by the masters of assemblies, which are given from one shepherd. And further by these, my son, be admonished. Of making many books there is no end, and much study is a weariness to the flesh. Let us hear the conclusion of the whole matter. Fear God and keep his commandments, for this is the whole duty of man. For God shall bring every work into judgment, with every secret thing, whether it be good or whether it be evil. Gathering to do something together, even if it's just pulling weeds, has turned into time I genuinely look forward to each evening as the sun starts to set. From the smallest to the largest of us, what a wonderful way to connect. When we are all working together for a common goal, we can accomplish so much. As the saying goes, many hands make for light work. There is so much to be gained in these simple moments, so much beauty to take in. What a glorious world the Lord created and painted for us, especially the people we get to enjoy it with. Over the years, I have found one shade I truly love wearing every single day on my fingernails. To me, having a neutral nail is timeless and elegant. It didn't surprise me when I found out this was also a royal rule. This look is sure to harmonize with any outfit. As a ballerina, having a neutral nail was important so as not to detract from what you really wanted your audience to see and helped lengthen the fingers visually. Toes are a whole other story in my book. I love choosing something pretty and pink even if I'm the only one who will be seeing them. If you are looking for more inspiration, head over to Patreon. In my latest video, I'm sharing some exciting news about our birds and an update on that sweet little kitten, Chance. This video was brought to you by our patrons, and we thank each of you for making these videos possible. I would also like to thank Oh Wonders Grace magazine for commissioning some of the artwork you just saw. Head over to my Etsy shop if you have yet to order this beautiful stationery I created with you in mind. For more ways to make the everyday beautiful, be sure to subscribe and click on this video.